back to my channel and welcome back to another Wednesday upload. Weekly vlog coming at you tomorrow. I know they should go up on Wednesdays, but today's gonna be a Thursday, so we have time for this video because this video gonna be a little bit better, to be honest with you. So as you can see by the title, today I am doing a swap haul and I am so obsessed with swap hauls. I wish there were more of them. Like, guys, seriously, swap with your friends and do a haul because these are my favorite videos to watch and I am gonna bring them back. So SarahJaneBetts and I, who is literally my favorite YouTuber right now, I feel like I found her when she was at like 500,000 subscribers. Honestly, y'all heard it here first. She's gonna be at 5 million by like next year. She is so cute and so fun, so make sure to go subscribe to her. So we set a spending limit for each other to go shopping to buy like fun things, and I feel like we have very similar tastes, so I am so excited. And also for you guys to see what I got her on her channel. Let's just freaking get into it. Also, this box is in rough shape. Like, I know you came from a very long way away, but it honestly looks like a customs officer may have taken a little sneak peek. But like, do I blame you because there's probably so much cute stuff in here? Not really. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is like literally Christmas on a Tuesday, y'all. I'm so excited. Also, I do a ton of online shopping from Australian stores. I feel like she's told me so often that like obviously America has like bigger selection, but I do feel like Australian clothing stores are where it's at. Oh my gosh, there's so much tape happening here. Moment of truth. Oh my god, there's so many layers. Okay. There's so much cute stuff. I feel like she nailed it. Like I know she nailed it already. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Let's get into it. I'm so excited. So the first thing is this retro sound Sunny Life retro radio. Oh my god. I wonder if this actually works. It totally does. Oh wait, oh, you plug your phone into it. Wait, that's actually so cute. Oh Moose, you have joined us for the haul. Hey buddy, maybe there's something in here for you. Kane only likes me because of Moose, so guaranteed there's something in here for Moose that's totally not for me from Kane. There's my prediction, calling it now. Oh my gosh, this is literally, even if this didn't work, this is like the cutest piece of wall decor. I'm so excited. This is like so cute for by the pew. Ooh, pull cord lamp, bright idea. Wow, okay, Sunny Light, 2 for 2. Everything looks so cute. When the sun doesn't shine, our light show does. Get ready for another bright idea with a pull cord lamp. Ah! This looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Also, we know Alex loves anything with palms on it. I feel like he's very confused because I have like a pillow and a bathing suit and like a few tops that have palms, plus one to the palms collection. Oh my god. More palms. Ooh, there's definitely something in here. It's like, it's weighty. Wait, this is Sunny Life too. What the heck? Sunny Life is so cute. Prediction, it's either gonna be snacks or socks or manis? Sarah, did you send me manis? It's snacks! Ah! Maybe the video tomorrow needs to be trying Australian candy. Freddo, little frogman, a flake. Wait, is this all wait, is Cadbury not in the States? We definitely have Cadbury in Canada, not like a huge selection because I know it's like mostly in the UK and I guess Australia. We have Mars bars in Canada. Are Mars bars not in the States? I'm so confused. Either way, I'm so excited to try all of this. A cherry ripe. What this? Ooh, a boost. Ooh, this looks cute. These all look good. I'm so excited. A curly whirly! Wow, it is so good. Maybe this wasn't the candy to bite while filming. All right, moving on. Oh my gosh, is this a little flamingo? Oh wait, there's actually a sticky note that fell off that says this is the only gold thing in Australia. What does that mean? Do Australians not like gold? This is so cute. A little piece of gold Australia for my shelves and my wall decor. Oh, there's more snacks. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see just like the overview of what I can see of like the sneak peeks. The next thing is a book called You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. Most do you live an awesome life? I feel like I live a pretty awesome life. But I actually have this book and have not read it, so I feel like that's a sign that I probably need to learn how to be a badass because your girl is not a badass. Hey, Moose, get out of my curly whirly bag. Next is a skinny dip phone case, which I think they sell at Topshop here, but look how cute it is. Oh, more snacks. Tim Tams, the original. Oh, I have been like actually so interested in trying a Tim Tam. I feel like Jess Conti was talking about Tim Tams on her IG story not that long ago. and I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, tomorrow's video will definitely be trying Australia's snacks because I've got a good collection happening right now. I'll have to recruit Alex for this. Oh my gosh, should we just like get right into the clothes? I feel like we should. I feel like we definitely should. Okay, so the first thing is, ooh, it's stripy. It's stripy. It's soft and strappy. Ooh, is it a tube dress? Is it a tube dress? Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm super into like the whole tube top trend right now. I feel like the 90s are coming back, and yeah, we are. 90s are coming back super strong with this tube top dress. Okay, next piece. Ooh, there's something super yellow. Adeline Morton vibes. I love how Adeline has literally just like associated her brand with a color. Oh my gosh, I think this is a separate. It's like a little set. Ah, it's so cute. Wait, does it have straps too? Wait, this is so cute. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my god, this is so cute. Also, I literally bought Sarah a set that is like in this exact cut. It's a different pattern, but like, wow, we have such similar style. More tube tops. This is so cute. Wait, where are these from, do we think? City Beach. Daisy Duke Boob Tube. Boob tube. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god, everything is so cute. It's like having a personal shopper, but like we also both got things, but just like I didn't have to pick things out, but I still got cute things. More poms. More poms. Alex's life is literally over. He like likes the pom print, but he's just like cannot keep life straight when there's so much pom print going on. This is so cute. I also have a few dresses like in this cut, and I feel like they're so flattering on literally everybody. I'm so excited to try all this stuff on after. Oh my glopsicles. I literally had this skirt in my hand at a store the other day, and I was like, ugh, I shouldn't get this. It's so cute, but I probably don't need it. And I needed it. I super needed it. It's like one of those pieces I came home and regretted not buying, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. About to be a skater girl. Ooh, denim shorts. I feel like Australia does denim shorts really, really well. These are so cute. These also look like a super OG DIY, like bleach denim shorts project that I did like in my first year of videos. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited to try everything on. Oh, Mussy Bear. Oh. Is it? Oh. Okay. Bye. I think he likes it. Oh my god, if this is what I think it is. Oh, this could be a pickle. This could be a cucumber. Is it an avocado? I haven't even looked yet. Is it an avocado? Look at the little faces! And the ball tummy pit. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in the entire life. Moose, what about this one? You want it? You want your avocado, man? Is this an avocado for the moose? Okay, and we're back. Oh no. Oh, there's a squeaker in one of them. Oh no. Did I not call this? Guaranteed those are from Kane. 100% guaranteed those are from Kane. Moving on. Okay, Moose, I know you think these are for you, but these are definitely for humans because I have seen so many of these at Coachella, and I feel like I've seen this on Sarah's Instagram and she totally rocks them. No, they're not for you, they're for me. And I'm so excited to learn how to style these because they're so cute, and I feel like they haven't quite made it to America to be super mainstream yet, but like Australia, just like, this is your fault, Kane. Next we have some sockies. Look, another little avocado man with a little smiley face and a peach butt. It's so cute. Also, I love cute socks. Like right now, I've got pink dinosaurs on my socks. Honestly, why would you wear not cute socks if you could wear cute socks? I just don't understand. Next, we have a hat. Oh, wait, this is super cute. I actually really love this color. I definitely don't have a hat this color. Santa Cruz. Also, I love that this came from Australia, but like Santa Cruz is definitely here. This is so cute though. I love this. Next, we have a mug. Too cool to care. Look how cute this is. But also, like, I care a lot, so that probably means that I'm not that cool. Ooh, next we have a mini backpack. I've been just like dying for a new one, and this one is so cute. Oh, is this another tube top? Is this another tube top? Is this a tube top with booby cups? It totally is. Wait, why has this not been a thing until now? This is great. Wait, this is actually so good. Why isn't every tube top like this? America, y'all need to step your game up. This is the tube top of my dreams. Next, we have a dress. Ooh, cute colors so far. Wait, is this the same kind as the other one? Oh my gosh, guys, so cute. Sarah, girl, you be nailing it. These are all so cute. I'm so excited. I also have a dress that's like this, but the stripes go the other way. And it's like brighter colors, but this one's really cute and muted, and I love it. Ooh, Stationery. I definitely got Sarah's Stationery as well. Okay, oh my gosh, so cute. Also, I feel like you can never have enough notebooks, whether they're like room decor or desk decor or you actually use them as like a notebook, but like how often do I do that? Probably not that often. No, you know, like to be honest, not that really that often. But you can never have enough cute notebooks. This one's so cute. Official member of the Self-Love Club. So cute. Dream on Dreamer. So cute. Oh my gosh, is this a pool floaty? Is this a pool floaty? Is this a paw print pool floaty? Oh my god, Alex is literally gonna die. I feel like it's like Alex's version of camouflage. Like when things are in palm print, he just like, his brain explodes. Ah, it's so cute. Lounge away in classic comfort. Ring in summer. Oh my gosh, Mos. This next one is for you. I don't even know if you're ready for this. If this is what I think it is this a doggy pool float? They would have put paw prints on here if it wasn't a doggy pool float, right? Mos! Oh my god. Lucy! This is for you! Mos, this is so your color. Oh my gosh, guys, this Sunny Life brand is so cute. I'm literally gonna go online to their website and like buy everything Sunny Life that Sarah didn't get me already. Oh, ring toss game with the little cactus! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, okay, super cute jewelry. Good colors. It's a vibe. Is this a swimsuit? Wait, I totally had that on my list of things to get Sarah, but then I think I couldn't find a cute one. Anyway, Sarah got me a cute one. Look how cute this is. Also, this like fabric, this ruche fabric makes everything look like a freaking baby clothing piece, but it's gonna stretch, and it's also gonna just like hold in any food babies that you may encounter on a beach day, which I'm really excited about. So cute and such a good color. Okay, so I thought that we were done, but there's something hiding in the back corner. I wish that I hadn't seen it, and I wish it had just gotten thrown out with the box once I was done unpackaging everything. It's Vegemite. I feel like I have gone my whole life and my whole YouTube career without having to try Vegemite, and I've been really excited about that, and I feel like I'm pretty proud of that fact that I have escaped Vegemite for this long because I've just heard lots of gross things about it. Should we give it a sniff? Oh my god, my stomach just turned. Start happy with Vegemite. I don't know about that. Oh! I don't know why I keep smelling it. It's making me nauseous every time. It's like a new wave of nausea. Okay. Thanks, girl. Thanks for the Vegemite. Very thoughtful of you. Can't wait to try. All right, so that is everything in the swap haul. Thank you so much, Sarah. Everything is literally perfect and everything is so me. Like, I feel like we just like shopped for our own style, knowing that the other person would like it, and then we ended up just with like a whole bunch of cute stuff. I'm so excited to see Sarah's reaction of her opening all the things that I got her, and I'm so excited for you guys to also see that video, so that'll be linked in the down bar below, and it'll also be live as soon as this video is live. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and seriously, like, do a swap haul with your friends. Find a YouTuber that you may only know through the internet and see if they want to do a swap haul, like, as long as it's like safe and you know them and stuff and you trust them and stuff. Just like, you know, be careful of the internet and stuff. But for real, I'm so excited to watch all of your guys' swap hauls because they are my favorites. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys tomorrow for the vlog and trying Australian snacks, and then on Sunday for DIY Master episode 3, which I'm so excited for you guys to see. I'm about to film the end of that right after this, and I'm so excited. So I will see you guys on Sunday for that. And wait, now my outro's all messed up. Okay, see you on Wednesday and Sunday. See you on Sunday for a Sunday. Wow. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the